Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love Rice Krispie treats. I love the homemade ones, I love the packaged ones, it doesn't matter. I love them all, but now I am really glad to have an option that packs a little bit of extra goodness in these Blake's chocolate chip Rice Krispie treats. I feel really good about eating these because they have flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. So I feel like I'm getting more of a nutritional bang for my buck. And while nutrition is important in everything, I would not eat these if they did not taste good. And let me tell you that they are super delicious. They have that chewy, crispy, sweet, familiar flavor that I love from Rice Krispie treats. They have an addicting, soft texture and the perfect amount of sticky, sweet flavor. I love enjoying these treats at any time of the day, and I had to confess, I even enjoy them for breakfast. And of course, like all Rice Krispie treats, they are great packed with my lunch. These Blake's Rice Krispie treats may be healthier, but they are just as tasty and just as satisfying as any Rice Krispie treat that I've had. And that's my point of view.